Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles easy at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the perfect batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, lightly beat the eggs, then stir in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for tender waffles. It's time to cook those delicious waffles. First, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. While it heats up, lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a brush of melted butter to prevent sticking. Once hot, pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the center of the iron for each waffle. Close the lid and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crisp. Your homemade waffles are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. You could also try chocolate chips, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a great new e-reader and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make waffles at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.